How to install AvaTrade application on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to download and install the AvaTrade app on your Android phone or your tablets quickly and easily, here is how you do it. First of all, open your Google Play Store on your Android. In the search bar, type in AvaTrade and search. From the search results, look for this application that says AvaTrade Secure Trading App from Ava Financial Limited. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Depending upon your internet speed, the installation may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Wait for the app to download and install, and once the installation is done, click on Open. So there you have successfully downloaded and installed AvaTrade application on your Android device. You can go ahead and create a new account or log into an existing account or even open a demo account directly from this page. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.